traditional gathering on the car park, this time at West Bay Holiday Park in Dorset. A chance to catch up in the morning, go over final details, hand out the route books and welcome any new members that are joining us. And we had 4 this tour, which was brilliant. And here we have the Fat Controller, that's yours truly, leading the pack in the less than classic Mondeo estate, closely followed by Ian and Sarah in a real bit of class, the Mark II Granny estate. Driving the Corsair convertible is our graphics expert Dominic Coleman. The car was once owned by TV chef Hugh Fearnley-Whittinstall of River Cottage fame. Joined on this tour by Delilah the dog, who did her very best to share my bedroom over the weekend in the Static. She's a bit on the furry side, but she does give a lovely morning kiss. Anybody else notice it's only the ladies that Gus offers a lift to? Hooligan.
What a perfect day for a ride out. Henry always attracts the ladies. This is Anna. She's ridden in Henry before. Really enjoyed it, so she jumped in the passenger seat again. I like to think it's because she likes my company, but I think it's Henry.
Approaching Portland Bill, some of the most stunning scenery in Dorset, and what a great driving road, but it is very steep and gives the old cars a workout. I think it's very progressive of Dorset Council to be hiring plus-size glamour models to work in their car parks. Bravo, chaps.
Well, that was fun.
Thank you. That's an experience.
Leaving the beautiful Portland Bill, we are now descending down towards Nothe Fort. Nothe Fort, built I believe in the 1850s, has a fascinating history of naval defence for the area, and also has a fully functioning nuclear bunker. It's a fascinating place to look around and very, very reasonable price.
Here we go again with a different lady. This is Carol. She's also driven in Henry before and thoroughly enjoyed it. So what a fantastic day to be going out again.
You notice, just like in the James Bond films, that there's a different female in the passenger seat every time. Gus, having dropped Anna off, is now joined by Carol. Here we are at the highest point in Dorset at the Hardy Monument. Fantastic views, and I was disappointed not to see any plaques to the memory of Stan and Ollie, until somebody pointed out that it wasn't actually that hardy that it was a monument for, which made me feel a little bit daft, but it gave everybody a laugh.
Yes.
Oh, good.
She's
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well done.
Oh, it's a wee bit dark, isn't it? How many steps did she say? It's a bit around and around. At this point, somebody shouted, "Watch your head." At the precise time, I hit my head, knocked my cap off, but didn't hurt. Luckily. Whew!
Yeah.
That was a climb.
That's it. That's a view and a half, isn't it?
Isn't it just?
Yeah.
Worth the climb. I can see Henry from up here. Cooey! Can't hear us. They can't. Oh.
To do a panorama as well. Just doing it. Keep posting on that.
Yeah, this will be going on the group video.
As you can see, we have a very diverse collection of cars, owners and destinations on our tours. We have a lot of fun and we go all over the country. It's all free. All you need is your time and your fuel. Why not join us on the next one?